What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out of Camarillo because Lid's still got this crazy clearance sale going on. Of course I gotta stop by. They got a couple lids here. One of them's kind of a locker room, one of them's kind of regular lid. I don't know. But yeah, let's go see what's up. Alright, I believe this is the locker room by Lids. Like, it's not really locker room by Lids, but they got all the locker room by Lids stuff. Don't have that many hats here. This is more apparel. Alright, let's look around. They got Rams jerseys. Rams Nike jerseys, normally $130. There's 50% off. I got all kinds of sizes. Stafford, he don't even play with them no more, right? He doesn't play with them anymore, does he? Why aren't these more than 50% off? That should be way more than 50% off. Then they got jerseys that are buy one get one 50% off. Looks like a lot of the jerseys are buy one get one 50% off. It looks like all the Rams apparel 30% off. It looks like. Okay. So got hats, but we're here to check out these two aisles right here, these two racks. 40% off all their clearance stuff. That's what I'm interested in, dude. We got Michigan, $25, 40% double XL though. That's pretty dope. Going to the smalls. Dodger shirt going for $18. Throwback Dodger shirt, old school style, $11. $11, holy crap. Small Packer shirt going for $26. Raiders shirt, this is a medium going for $18. This is just a NFL team apparel. Another medium Raiders shirt. This one's down to what, $18. Dodgers dry fits go for $18. This is a Nike one. Got a few of them. More Dodgers gear go for $18. Got some Angel shirts go for $11. Large Rams hoodies go for $32. This Oregon go for $23. Fanatic shirt. Do got to this right here. This is it's kind of big, but it's only like what, 12 bucks? It's only $12. I might grab it just because it's so damn cheap. $12. Holy cow. I need a medium, but large might have to do for $12. So like, this is just way too cheap. I did try it on just to see how it fits. It is a little bit small, which is good because I wanted a medium. So I'm grabbing this for 12 bucks. Rams shirts, Rams t-shirts go for cheap. It should be cheap. $16.80. Well, more than I thought they'd be. Packer shirts go for $30. Boston shirts go for $18. Is that Bo Nose shirt? $23 for that. It's a large. Still got Bo Jackson shirts. What the hell? Michigan long sleeves. This is really thin. What is this? Was it $23? $25. More Dodger shirts. Dodger shirts going for $18. Kings Fanatics shirts going for $30. Long sleeve, that's an XL. UCLA shirts going for $15. This Mellow Ball, yeah, Mellow Ball ones. Raiders XL going for $26. Vegas Raiders. Checking out rack number 2. Let's see. Lakers t-shirt, this is a medium. Going for 16 bucks. $16, that's so cheap. It's under $10. Oh, another Browns shirt. This is a medium. I'm gonna grab this. $21. So I'll grab this. Yeah, I'll grab it. These are going for what, $25. Another one of those. And then This one is $60. So yeah, they got a small and a medium for that. The Magic jersey, this one's kind of weird. $64. Nets jerseys, or Nets shorts, I'm sorry. I call them jerseys. Those are down to $64 or $60, my bad, 40% off. This Lakers one down to $40. They call it the gradient ones. They're short though. Holy crap. These are short. This is a small. Maybe these are youth. Maybe is that it? That might be it. It's youth. That's why it's so cheap. This is a it's a youth large. Youth large. Go for 40. These are all smaller size right here. Do got Steve Nash jersey. This is down to 60, but it's a youth XL. Okay, youth XL. I don't have any men's jerseys on sale. Maybe this is the men's jerseys right here. That's it. So it's a Lonzo jersey. Lonzo small, go for $90. This is Reggie Theus. We saw this one already. This is a small, go for $65. Pippen, gray Pippen jersey down to $98. Remember, you could get 40 off everything. $100 for this. Pistol Pete, right? No, that's not Pete. No, I don't know who that is. Petrovich. But yeah, $100 for that. Lakers Magic jersey right here. This is pretty fire. $98 for that. You do get another 40 off, so $60 for that jersey. This is the gradient one. I'm just not a fan of these. $90 for the Penny Hardaway. And yeah, they're bumping some dope music though. All right, they got a few hats on sale. Most are $25, so these are all $25. Let's pay for that, and then I'll go to that other lids. All right, so I did pay for everything. $21 and $20 down to, what is it? What I end up paying? $25 after the taxes. After taxes, so pretty much what, $10 a piece for a hoodie and a t-shirt. $10 a piece. Wow. Are Uggs waterproof? I thought those were suede. She's just wearing it in the rain. Don't give a damn. I do got a regular lids over here, and they don't have apparel there. They do have some, but mostly hats on this one. Let's go check it out. Wait, let me get the thumbnail real quick. I think this is the thumbnail. All right, their signage here sucks. Their presentation, can't really even tell which one's on sale, which one's not. I know everything that's marked 20 and under is $10. I know the $25 and stuff, those are still $25. Do you got a Lakers hat right here? Lakers trucker hat? Down to $10. I don't know who this is. Black Manta? Who the hell is that? $5. Browns trucker hat. $20. They do have a medium large. See if it fits. All right, $10. I'm gonna have to grab this. Normally $35. Okay. USA soccer team. I think this is a USA soccer team, right? $10. Clippers hat right here down to $15, so $10 for that one. Lakers pink hat down to $20, so $10. There's some Lakers hats here and there. That's $10 right there. Most of them are still $25 though, so not the greatest selection right here. Oh, this Lakers hat. It's a fitted Lakers Michelin S for $10. That's actually crazy. They have an 8. Just huge sizes only. Oh dang, okay. Those of you guys with poofy hair, I guess. Oh, there are hats here and there. So this one says $25, the exact same one right next door. $10. This is a youth hat right here. Clippers hat, $10 for that one. Not really seeing too many sales here, to be really honest. We do got a couple jerseys here. We do got the 40% off, of course. Pistol Pete. This is the Petrovich jersey right here. This is what, $135 though, and then you get 30 off. We got a Magic jersey. Magic's down to 90. That's a small though. Is that a? Oh, it's like, is that a Vince Carter? I would have grabbed it if it was Vince Carter. McGrady going for $98. Not bad. Do you got the Iverson jersey? The Iverson jersey is pretty dope. Oh, that's fire, dude. That is fire. What's that? $98. Dude, this Iverson jersey is dope. You have to wear that one like way oversized though. Like Iverson used to wear back when. More Petrovic jerseys. Durant jersey? Oh, okay. The Durant jersey. I'm surprised to see that. Oh, it's a triple XL or something. Double XL. Okay, okay. Dude, they got the. Oh, this is a double XL too. I was like, what? They got the Chicago shorts for $60. What? So that's what, $36? That's crazy. $36 for that is dope. Memphis jerseys going for $36 as well. Okay, I don't know the size. Those are pretty big though. Yes, this is it, man. This is it. I'm not seeing too much here. At least I got other gear. All right, pay for this and get out. All right, that was $10. That was dope.